Hello to the Shans. Good day. Welcome back to Tagum Doctors College. And this is again Teacher Anna, your learning partner. So last week, we have learned about lesson number 3, and this is about the Information and Communication Technology or ICT. So nowadays, halos lahat kayo no magagaling na sa computer and ICT. Okay, from the smartphones, smart TVs, so tanan na smart. So I hope that you are also one of them, smart. Okay, so today, guys, we are going to have the two, or we are going to get the two most essential learning competencies, which is the first one is to define strategic analysis and intuitive thinking. And then we are also going to differentiate key components in strategic analysis and intuitive thinking. Now, let's go to our learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, guys, you are going to formulate ideas as to how strategic analysis and intuitive thinking may be used to maximize local networks to one's competitive advantage. So kung ano yung nasa inyo, ano yung mga local networks nyo, you can use it as your strategic analysis or intuitive thinking. So you can maximize that. And then you can also perform day-to-day activities using strategic analysis and intuitive thinking. So just like nung guys, gumising kayo at nagkaroon ba kayo ng chance para mag-decide or magplano? So maybe some of you planned well or strategically plan the whole day. Pero maybe ang iba sa inyo is like come what may. So kung ano yung pagdesisyonan ng time na yan, so dun lang kayo mag-iisip. So for example, pag gising ninyo is nag-iisip ka na, maliligo ba ako or hindi? Gigising ba ako ng maaga or hindi? Just like that. And then, pero iba sa inyo, like, kailangan ko talagang gumising ng 5 a.m. para matapos ko yung mga modules ko, matapos ko yung mga activities and assessments ko with this subject. And then after that, I am going to take a bath, and then eat breakfast, and then have again the classes for 8 a.m. and have lunch at 12 p.m. and then or 12 noon, and then have my next class at 1 p.m., just like that. So most likely, you are strategically thinking. You are using your strategies, your SWOT analysis, your strength. Ano ba yung mga strength ko, yung weaknesses ko, yung opportunities ko ngayong araw na to. At ano naman yung mga threats na meron dito. So that is actually these two analysis or these two strategies you are only or you are using this one every day. Pero hindi mo lang alam na, ito na pala yung ginagamit ko. So now let's go. Let's try to know more about strategic thinking and planning. So when we say strategic thinking and planning, guys, it is the process of determining the direction you will take to achieve your vision. So ito yung strategic thinking. So ito lang yung iniisip mo pa. Okay? Ito yung process of determining the direction. So aalamin mo pa kung saan patungo ang mga direction mo or saan patungo ang direction na gagawin mo at the same time para makuha mo yung vision or maybe yung goal for the day. Okay? That is strategic thinking. So anong sa ang kalainan sa strategic thinking versus strategic planning? So when we say strategic planning, process gihapon siya pero of developing a blueprint for the work you will do against that direction. So dito sa strategic thinking, so ano yung dapat mong ma-achieve, dapat mong goal, dapat mong vision ngayong na araw na to. While yung strategic planning, anong gagawin mo para ma-achieve mo yung ah, vision mo, yung goal mo. So dito, process of determining of direction, yung strategic thinking, ang strategic planning, process of developing a blueprint for the work you will do against that direction. Kasi gusto mong ma-attain ang goal na yan, ang vision na yan, anong gagawin mo. So this is the blueprint that is for strategic planning. So dito guys, as you can see here in the picture, so we have anticipate, think critically, mm, interpret, decide, align, and learn. So dito guys, it is like a strategic thinking and planning cycle. So una, kailangan mo i-anticipate. So ano ba yung nakikita mo na strength mo? Ano ba yung weaknesses mo? Ano ba yung opportunities na meron ka? Ano ba yung threats na meron? And then after that, you are going to think critically. So paano mo gagamitin yung mga strengths mo? Paano mo i-develop yung mga weaknesses mo? Paano mo gagamitin yung mga opportunities mo? At paano mo malalampasan yung mga threats na meron ka or meron sa sitwasyon na kinaroroonan mo? Ganyan siya, guys. And then after that, you are going to interpret. Okay? So you are going to interpret. So ano ba yung gagawin ko? Pag ganito ang mangyari, gagawin ko ito. So for example, sa araw mo na to, so first you are going to anticipate. So ang iisipin mo, ano ba yung gusto mong ma-achieve ng araw na to? Kailangan kong matapos ang mga assessments ng trends. Kailangan ko ring ah, mapag-aralan yung bagong activity or bagong lesson ng trends. Kailangan ko ring matapos yung mga assessment ko sa ibang subject ko. So yun yung mga gusto mong ma-attain, yung vision mo. And then you are going to think critically. So galing doon, magpaplano ka. Okay, so para matapos ko tong mga activities ko, assessments ko, kailangan akong gumising ng maaga. So kailangan kong gumising ng 4 a.m. So ngayon, kailangan mo na mag-interpret. So ngayon, gumising ka ng 4:30. So na, lapas na siya og 30 minutes. So imuha na siya i-interpret karon imuhang gusto nga buhaton versus sa imuhang time kasi nakulangan na ka og 30 minutes. So interpret nimo to siya. So unsa kong unahon? So diri sa ako ang listahan, mao ni siya ang dapat nako unahon kasi mag-June na siya karong adlaw. So mano nako ni siya nga mga assessment for this one, 4:30 to 7. So pag kuan nimo, pag answer nimo, uy, mga lisod man dai ni og kanang ah dugay siya mahuman. So diri na karon mosulod si decide or decision. So kasi pag tungtong sa 7 a.m. kailangan mo na mag-breakfast o mag-prepare for your next class. So diri na karon mo sulod si decision or decide. So ubanon ba ni nimong imuhang activities tapos dili ka maligo, dili po ka mag-breakfast or tiwason nimo ni siyang activity during your vacant time and then because you are going to prepare, take a bath, and then have breakfast. So dito na yung decision. So you are going to decide. Next is align nimo. So kailangan dyan mo naon kung kani ba siya nga ako ang decision is naka-align ba siya sa ako ang gusto nga ma-attain. Like for example, ang imo dyan gusto ma-attain is mahuman dyan na nimong assessments from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. And then kulangan ka og oras. So, ang imong desisyon is dili mag-breakfast o dili maligo para mahuman nimo ang assessments. So align siya sa imuhang gusto ma-attain nga mahuman tanan ang assessments. And then after that, you will learn from that experience. So next time di ay kinahanglan daay nako nga mumata pa og sayo like kung 4 a.m., 4 a.m. jud ko mumata para mahuman jud ako ang trabahoon or ako ang assessments. So inaana siya guys ang strategic thinking and planning. So actually, in every decision that you are going to make, even it's political, personal, day-to-day living, you can use this one, strategic thinking and planning. So you just need to first anticipate, second, think critically, and then interpret. So then you need to decide, you need to align, and then learn. Always remember that in every experiences, you need to learn from that, okay? Learn from the mistakes of the past. So inana siya guys, dapat. So that is for strategic thinking and planning. Okay? So you are doing that day to day but wala pala ka kabalo nga, mao na dito siya ang strategic thinking and planning. So, ang strategic analysis, guys, what is the differences about it? So, ito na talaga siya, guys, yung totality nilang dalawa. So, involves examination and evaluation of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, environments, and resources, among others, with the purpose of drawing up a strategy from the results of the analysis to achieve certain goals over time. Kasi dito sa ating strategic thinking and planning, guys, pwede siya nga wala pa ta nagamit og SWOT. Pero there is a strategic analysis, you really need to examine and evaluate your SWOT. Saning SWOT gani? This is the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, and environments and resources that you have. So, diri guys, nadungag ang environments and resources. So always remember, we have a limited environment or maybe the capacity of the environment is different from other environment. We also have resources. Always remember that we also have limited resources. Dili sobra-sobra. So most likely, limited lang jud. So that's why it involves or kinahanglan nato og strategic analysis. Now, let's go to the next one. So this is the examples of successful strategic thinking or pag-apply sa strategic analysis. So, here guys, makita nimo nga ang every leader gyud should use a strategic thinking or strategic analysis process in approaching goals and overcoming obstacles. So, para makuha na to atong mga goals ug ma-overcome na to ang mga problema or mga obstacles. So the three common components of strategic thinking in business, guys, are innovation. So kung namoy plano nga mag-business sunod or mag-business pohon, you need to be innovative or you need to involve innovation in your business. You need also to have strategic planning or strategy planning. And then, you are also going to have operational planning. Anong daghan man jud kay planning sa business, ma'am? It is because if you plan, if you want, or if you plan to succeed, you need to have a step-by-step operational and strategies to get to get your visions and goals in the business. Okay? So, example ani guys, innovation and creation just like Google. So, sa unang panahon guys, the first Google is like very simple. Kanang dili pa gid kay siya innovative and limited lang ang resources nga makuha nimo dito. Pero pagdabot sa innovation and creation, ilan ang gi-apply na sa ilahang business. So now, look at Google. So kung tan-aw nimo ang iyahang search engine, nindot na kaay siya. At the same time, there are sometimes nga with ano na siya, kanang innovations or naana siya mga nindot nga magambak-ambak nga mga gagmay nga drawings about art. Sometimes, like for example, if it is Valentine's, ma-listen siya o ka ng something related sa Valentine's Day. And if it is New Year, it also something related nga related sa New Year. So that is innovation and creation. It is very important to have a successful business. Next is the Amazon effect. So as you can remember, di ba si Amazon is billion na siya nga nga company. So Amazon guys took the shopping process and turned it upside down. So Sa una, traditional shopping is like mo to kag mall, mo to kag store, and then you are going to select what are the things that you like, and then